Alright, today's goal is to get that on top of that. Let's get started. We gotta clean out some more space in the garage so we got more room to work. Again, the body's just sitting on jack stands. This is all movable, so let's clean up the garage, and I'll get back to you here showing you what all needs to be done. As you can see here, we've started moving some stuff over. Again, I didn't record any of this because, well, we were doing some very sketchy things to get this all situated. But as you can see, we got it set down, and it's resting on its new frame. And we started taking the motor off the old chassis, got it removed, and we'll get this down to the machine shop and get that squared away. We did sell the old rear axle and the front suspension. Guy came to pick it up, told him $50, and he was ecstatic because one, he can get his he's going to use it for Chevelle and get that squared away. So it was nice to be able to salvage some parts from this and get somebody else on the road.